Tired of spending your weekends cleaning? Say hello to AI-powered cleaning devices, which can take care of the dirty work for you and leave your home sparkling clean. From robot vacuums to smart mops, AI is revolutionizing the way we clean our homes, making the process faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. One of the most exciting developments in AI-powered cleaning is the ability of these devices to learn a home's layout and create a customized cleaning route that saves time and energy. But that's not all. AI can also detect and clean specific types of messes, such as pet hair or food spills, with impressive accuracy, making it a powerful tool in the fight against household crime. In addition to making cleaning faster and more effective, AI can also optimize energy and water usage during cleaning, helping to reduce waste and environmental impact. And with many AI-powered cleaning devices connected to smart home technology, you can control your cleaning routine with just a few taps on your smartphone, making the process even more convenient. With the help of AI, cleaning your home has never been easier, so sit back, relax, and let your robot maid do the work for you.